Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I am reviewing the summer CauseBox. If you don't know much about the CauseBox, it is a quarterly subscription. I believe it's like $50 every quarter. I'll write the real price over there. But I did get a coupon code, so I got it for $39.99. And you get it every spring, summer, fall, and winter. If you're a yearly subscriber, then you get to pick the different colors of items that you're getting in your box, but for the most part, everybody gets the same items. That's the only difference, is that you get to like customize your colors. There was one item that you could either get one or the other, but we'll see what I got. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and see what's in it. So the first item that we get is a magazine that describes kind of everything that you're getting in your CauseBox, and then it tells you what causes you're supporting as well. And then it does have like a recipe in here for the wine tumbler that you're getting. But yeah, so this is just kind of like a good general knowledge information packet that tells you everything that you're getting in your box and what you're supporting. So that's kind of a cool information packet there. All right, so I opened it up and you get this cute little sticker right over top there. And let's see what I got. So the first item that I got is a beach bag. And it's a straw beach bag. And it comes with a cute little blue tassel that you can put on your beach bag. It's a good size, like as far as like a purse goes. It's not overly big, so I feel like it's like a petite beach bag. Perfect to take like maybe just your towel or sunscreen in, nothing like overly crazy. The second item I got is the swimsuit bag. So if you have a wet swimsuit, you can put it inside of here, and it's waterproof. It's a good size bag here. So it's waterproof on the inside. So if you have a wet swimsuit, you can put it in here, and then you can throw this in your beach bag and it won't get anything else wet, which is awesome. This one you could customize, and there was also a blue one as well. I can't remember what exactly it said, but there was another customization on that one. The next item that I got was the reusable wine tumbler right there. It says 12 hours cold, shatterproof, and vacuum insulated, and it is a 12-ounce double wall stainless steel, and then it has a lid that's super easy to use as well. So it has. So that'll be super nice. If you're like going to the beach, it's always a hot day. This will help keep your drink cold, so that's a good one to have. The next thing that we got was a reef-friendly sunscreen. And this is great because me and my husband like to go scuba diving, and this is reef-free, so that means that you're not putting extra chemicals into the water. As many of you know, the reefs are dying off at like startling rates, and every time we go scuba diving, we try to look for sunscreen that isn't going to damage them any more than what they are. So this is great. I'll have to let you know how this brand works for us. It is 30 SPF and a zinc formula, and it's supposed to be non-greasy, which is always good. The next item that came in here were scrunchies, and has 3 different colors on there. They're super soft. It's almost like a t-shirt material, so scrunchies or hair ties are always good for me, so that's an exciting one. And then the next thing you could get is, so this one you could either get like the aloe gel, or this one is a powder face cleanser. And this one comes in a bottle, and I've watched videos about it, but basically what you do is you add like just a little bit of water to it, and you're supposed to be able to cleanse your face with it after you add the water. It makes it into like almost like a solution, I guess. But this is nice because obviously we travel a lot, and you can take this like on an airplane, don't have to worry about putting it in a check bag. So that's kind of nice to have, because literally all you have to do is add water, and there's obviously always water like in bathrooms, at airports, so I'll be able to cleanse my face wherever I go, which is nice. And then the last item is a beach cover-up, and I got the blue one here. And it's fairly big. Feels like nice material. And at the end of this video, I'll try it on so that you can see it. But it looks nice. And this is another one that you could have customized. And it has different colors here. Let me see if I can find the page really fast for you. Alright, so there are the different colors that you could have gotten, and if you were a yearly subscriber, you could have picked which one you wanted, and I ended up getting the blue, which is super cute. It is like a darker blue, a turquoise blue kind of on the top, and then the middle is more of like a baby blue. So, and I'll show you this at the end. And then the very last item that you get is a postcard, and it has the artwork from the outside of the box on this postcard, which is always kind of a nice thing. You can send it to someone if you feel like. I know I'm always sending mail to like my sister and her kids, because it's always fun to get mail when you're a kid. So that is the last item that I got. If you have any questions, please comment below. Thanks for watching, and I will show you the cover-up at the end of this video. But thanks. I'll have some more videos coming out soon. I'm going to do Zennies and Firmoo, the prescription glasses. So thanks for watching. Hey guys, so here is the beach cover-up. It is super lightweight. It goes down to my knees. It's open on the side. It's super breathable material. And then it has a fairly large hole for your head to go in. And it does have like the fringe detail on the bottom, which was cute. So anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you have a good